Hello and welcome back. Today we got a quick and easy kind of fun one for you. We're going to add some animation, motion to this caster wheel assembly. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on motion study. Now I'm going to give myself a front view of this wheel. Excellent. I'm going to go down here to my animation wizard. Going to open that up. And we just want to rotate the model for this one, keeping it nice and simple. Going to rotate around the y-axis one time. That looks great. Going to take 10 seconds to go around, and I'm going to add in a 5-second pause before it starts pivoting. In addition to this, I'm going to come over a couple to where it says motor. Select that. Go into my wheel here, and you can see this purplish arrow gives us an idea of which way it's going to be rotating. So we can have it rotate either way. I like the one that it came up with as its recommendation, but 100 RPM sounds a little fast. I'm going to lower that down to 10. All right, green tick mark. Now all I got to do is click play and we'll see it come to life. And there it is. First 5 seconds, it just comes into that front orientation. And it takes another 10 seconds to give us one pivot around that y-axis while the wheel's turning. Gives us an idea of what it would look like if it was actually attached to a shopping cart doing its job. All right, hope this was helpful. Hope you're having a good day.